teaching the younger generation how to do blacksmithing. Steve is giving him instructions.
What we do is we have a trade on. We are hosting meetings trade on the meeting. So we all go home between the next meeting and the next meeting. We also so you see our trade on. You may get hammered out of the railroad. This you don't know what you're going to come up with. So that would be, you know, again, my good. Sometimes it'll be real specific to how I'm going to do it. So,
Giving that young man more instruction on blacksmithing. I'm not sure what he's making, but he's giving him some instruction. It's nice to see the younger generation learning blacksmithing. It says in memory of Don Mays. Don Mays is one of the people in our tractor club. He was a blacksmith, and he's one of the people that got the blacksmith shop going and got it started, got the building and everything. And you can see the inside of the blacksmith shop. Here's the outside of the building, and gives you an idea what it looks like. And he's the one that got it all started.